it's me, Sammy from AesthetiCare, and tonight I wanted to talk to you about one of our kits that we have available for you guys to purchase. It's called the Skin Brightening Kit, and it is super easy. It's just 3 steps. Comes with our salicylic cleanser, the VitaSoothe, which is a really nice hydrating serum, and then also the Vita C20. It's all packaged together, and right now we're doing a discount for 20% off. You don't have to leave your home to come and get these products. We'll actually just send them to your house for you, which is great. The salicylic cleanser is the first step. And when you first start using these products, you're gonna start out just using them once a day for about the first 2 weeks. If you're normal to oily, you'll be able to step it up to about twice a day after those first 2 weeks. But if you're a little bit drier like me, maybe working your way into it, using this system every other day, and then maybe just sticking to even once a day after those 2 weeks, just till your skin adjusts. Always a good idea. But the salicylic cleanser is going to be great for anybody that has any breakout, also for anybody that has any discoloration. And so this is what that kit is really focusing on, is anybody that wants to see improvement in dark spots, melasma, which is a chronic hormonal condition that causes almost like staining on the skin. So the salicylic is going to help with fighting the discoloration, but then also some of that breakout that you might ever experience. The VitaSoothe is the next product I'm going to talk to you guys about. See if you can see it a little bit better there. It's really silky smooth. I've been using this for a while now. The way it comes out is almost like a silky gel. It's really, really slippery. It feels super, super silky on the skin. You will love this one. This one is definitely something that you can use morning and night, even if you're not going to be using that final step on top of it. The VitaSoothe is something that you'll really love the way it feels on the skin. On top of it feeling just great, it also has lipochromin in there, which is a really strong antioxidant, which is super important for darkness in the skin. So an antioxidant, what does it do? It actually helps fight free radical damage. And free radical damage is anything outside in the environment that would be harming the skin. So you think about pollutants, anything from the sun, obviously. We've all been out in the sun. It's created a lifetime worth of sun damage. And then cigarette smoke, anything like that that's causing harm to your skin. Antioxidants are your best friend. They also are your natural like warriors for your skin. They help fight anything that's already been damaged and then protect yourself from further damage. So this one, good to use morning and night, especially in the daytime though, before you're out in the sun. Put this on before your SPF is a really great option. The last step of this brightening system is the Vita C20. Something I absolutely love about our product line is that they all come in this airtight like pump. So you just press down, give it a few pumps to get it going, and then you don't have to open it and stick your fingers in every time, just getting that product a little bit contaminated. So it just comes out like that, and then you can just swipe it off and then put it on your skin. Thin layer, just like a normal moisturizer, is perfect. It is a 20% L-ascorbic acid. So what that means is that it's gonna probably tingle the first couple times you use it. You definitely wanna get your skin used to this product and just go balls to the wall, start using it twice a day, every single day. Work your way into it, and that'll help decrease some of the irritation that you might experience. L-ascorbic acid is a very strong vitamin C. It's a great vitamin C because it penetrates a lot deeper than some other ingredients that have vitamin C in them. So we love the L-ascorbic acid. You'll love it and you'll get the maximum benefit from this product there. It also has orange essential oil. It smells like a dreamsicle. It smells like heaven. You're gonna put this on. If you give somebody a hug after the coronavirus is gone, people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, what do you have on? It smells so delicious. So another nice benefit. I know some people are sensitive to perfumes and the way some moisturizers or products in general smell. This one you won't have a problem with because it smells delicious. Everybody that we've had on the system has had really nice results, which is great, something that works really consistent. Also, another nice benefit is that it's hydroquinone free. Some people are sensitive to hydroquinone, which is a bleaching agent. And so this is nice because you don't have to worry about that. You can use this if you're breastfeeding, things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little video, and I hope you all try out our skin brightening system. Again, it's 20% off right now. So please come in and try it or buy it from home right now.